Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Logitech Harmony Smart Home Scenes on Hub, full guide step by step clearly. To disable Logitech Harmony Smart Home Scenes on your Hub, start by powering on your Harmony Hub. Ensure your Harmony app is opened on your smartphone or tablet. Connect your device to the same Wi-Fi network as your Harmony Hub. On the main screen of the app, locate the Devices tab at the bottom. Tap on the Devices tab to view all connected devices. Select the Harmony Hub from your list of devices. Scroll down to find the Activities section. Tap on Activities to view your current smart home scenes. Choose the smart home scene you wish to disable. Once selected, look for the Options menu, usually represented by 3 dots or a gear icon. Tap on the Options menu to access the settings for that scene. Select Edit to modify the settings of the smart home scene. Scroll through the scene settings until you find the Disable option. Tap on Disable to turn off the selected smart home scene. Confirm your choice if prompted to ensure you want to disable the scene. Exit the settings to return to the main screen of your Harmony app. Repeat the process for any additional scenes you wish to disable. Finally, close the Harmony app on your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.